Hi class 8th. Today from this slide in front of you, you can see summary and topology chapter 1 networking. Since so many session we have given you on the chapter networking, today we will summarize all the topics. Just a quick recapitulation of everything we have done till now. Without revision 80% of things are forgotten, so we don't want that. Just we want to revise it, okay? And a topology we will discuss. I will tell you in another few minutes what's the topology and everything about that. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's begin. First is networking. When the term networking, I encounter networking, first thing encounter my mind is railway network, train network, right? So largest network of India in transportation, railway network. Next one is mobile network. These are the real life examples. I can call anywhere, anytime, right, with a mobile. So network is something that can connect anything to, means one device to another device, in one place to another place. Internet, you all know. Today I'm able to give you online classes just because of this internet, right? We are connected because of the internet, because of the networking. Social network, you all use Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, everybody knows. So these are what? Social network. These are some examples of real life examples of networking, right? So, if I say railway network, it covers the entire country now. So in computer term, it is similar to which kind of network? Is it a LAN, local area network? No, I think it's a wide area network. Yes, since it's covering the entire country. But it's not exactly WAN. I'm telling you to just compare and contrast. WAN is something different. It's a technological thing. But I'm saying since the WAN is a wide area network which covers the larger area, entire world. So railway is like that. Internet is an example of WAN only. And so what are the topics in this chapter we have covered? And we know the definition of network. We can define what is network and its advantage and disadvantage also. Various networking device we came to know. NIC, what is that? Network interface card, hub, switch, intelligent hub, modem, modulator, demodulator, that is conversion of digital signal to an electrical signal and vice versa. Routers, cables and connectors are there. Then types of network: LAN, MAN, WAN. Campus area network are also there. If you have gone through the PDF that is available in the school website, you might have come across the campus area network. Bigger than LAN but smaller than MAN, right? And the network security. Of course, security issue is there, right? Clear? Next thing, when we are discussing the network and we are not discussing the topology, so something is wrong. What is topology? A pattern of interconnection of nodes in a network is called topology. Means in a network how the computers are connected. Okay, that what we call is topology. Each and every computer arrangement of the computer in a particular, if a LAN is there, MAN is there, WAN is there, whatever, that arrangement, the physical arrangement is called topology. There are various type of topology discussed here: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, mesh topology. I just discuss one by one, but before that, look here. Different types of topology is there. Bus topology. See, this one is bus topology. One cable is there. Can you see one cable is there? and these are what nodes. Each node is connected through the cable. So this what is this? This is the bus topology. A single cable is there and each nodes are connected, right? In a few minutes I will give you the definitions of each and every one, but before that you understand. Star topology is there. You can see these are the nodes which is connected to central hub. This is what hub, right? This is the central hub and these are the different nodes. Each node is connected to central hub, and if central hub is damaged somehow, then this system will not work. Now coming to ring topology. This one is ring topology, and in this all are connected in a circular continuous motion, and this is what ring topology is there, and these are the different nodes. Okay. Now next is tree topology. Like the branches of tree is there now, there is a different nodes. So this is the tree topology, and this is the parent node, rest are the child node. Just a minute. This is what parent node. Clear? Now coming to the definitions. And one more topology is there. You can see mesh topology is there, fully or partially mesh. In mesh topology, each and every node are interconnected. You can send message from one node to another, first node to second, second to third, third to first, any way you want. The mesh topology is there. So now the definitions are there. You can see this diagram. I have made you clear. So now the definition part. Bus topology. How to define? Now you understand what the concept, what's the logic. Now the bus topology. All workstations are connected to a linear cable. You have seen this diagram now? Very good. Next is star topology. Each node is connected to a central hub or a server. This one is star. Already explained. Ring topology. All nodes are connected in a continuous loop. See, this is the ring. Tree topology is a special type of structure in which many connected elements are arranged like branches of a tree. In tree, I have shown you कि tree topology में how, like you can imagine a tree. The way tree is look like, so the computers are connected in that way. Mesh topology. These are generally used for corporate sectors. Data among each other. Each data has been transferred among each other. Thank you.